To access custom reports, select Reports, Custom Report. We have 7 tabs within Custom Reports. We have Project, Portfolio, Budget, Task, Project Member, People, and Timesheet. We also have a tab that houses any saved reports. There are many customization options within each tab. If you hover over columns, you can click on the waffle and you're able to filter by any of the selections, as well as search for any data points you'd like to add to your report. If you'd like to change the order of any of the columns within your report, you can click and drag to the desired location. You can also pin or freeze columns to the right or left of your report. Each tab contains information related to that module within Projectric. Within Project, we have data points like start date, due date, status, stage, total hours, project manager, and more. If you click on the Portfolio tab, you'll see data points related to the Portfolio module. You'll see data like estimated hours, portfolio admin, portfolio contact person, status, portfolio type, etc. You can also view any budget information associated with the portfolio. When you click into the Budget tab, you'll notice that the base report looks a little different than that of the Project and Portfolio tab. Our base report groups together data based on each portfolio. You can then click into each portfolio and you will see each individual project, where you'll be able to see the budget associated with each entry. You'll see the overall budget, the actual spend, the variance, and any important notes. To remove row grouping, simply unselect the desired entry under the Row Groups section on the right-hand panel. If preferred, you have the ability to switch to Pivot View. This view can be extremely useful when you're reviewing these budget reports, as you can easily group and view budget information by year, quarter, and month. On the Task tab, you can drill down portfolios and projects to the task level to view task start dates, task end dates, task types, milestones, who the task is assigned to, estimated hours, and more. Under the People tab, you can view a list of all of the team members that have been added to your account. You can see their name, their job roles, their hourly rates, dependent on your user role type, as well as their email and any related contact person associated with that team member. Under the Timesheet tab, you will see a report that lists any hours that have been worked and logged in the system by your team members. You'll be able to see the team member's name, the project name, the associated task, the date, a description of the work, the billable amount, hours, whether it was approved and who it was approved by, as well as the approval date. Just like the other tabs, you are able to reorganize the information by creating row groups, swapping column locations, or switching to pivot views to create the desired report format. If you create a report format that you'd like to save for later use, you can do so by clicking the Save icon. For example, you'll see here that I've gone into the Project tab and created a project format for a report that I know I would use moving forward in the future. To save this report as a template, I'll simply select the Save icon next to Saved Filters, and then I will give my report a title, designate whether the report is for personal use or company use, and then give my report a description. Lastly, I'll click Save, and now I can click All Saved Reports and see my saved project report. Once a report has been saved, you do have the ability to edit the name and description, as well as delete any unwanted or unneeded templates.